Hey guys, this video is going to give a quick demo on how to export audio from Audacity specifically to an MP3 format, though you can use other formats as well. When you create an Audacity project, you have a project that you can work with, that you can edit, but you're not going to be able to share it with your friends, upload it to a music sharing site and that sort of thing. So we're going to get it into a format where you can do that. Start off with, this project has 3 tracks that you can see on the left. The first track is my click track, the middle one is rhythm guitar, and the bottom one is lead guitar. And if we give that just a quick listen here, that's what it sounds like. So this beeping that you hear is the top track. And we don't want to have that in our final product, so I'm going to mute that out. And then if we go back to the beginning of the song and we play, you'll notice there's some sounds in there that we don't really want in the finished product. So you maybe can hear a little bit of noise right here, and you hear me taking a breath at the very beginning. So I don't want those in the song. Anytime you're doing a recording, you're likely to have some extraneous noises, maybe even some count off and just banter with your band or whatever else is going on. You want to take that stuff out. So I'm going to simply select the area of the song that I do want. And in this case, I'm going to grab from the point right after that noise to the end of the song. And now this is the part that I've highlighted is the part that's going to export. So I've got both tracks highlighted, and I'm going to go File, Export Selected Audio. And I'm going to use I'm just going to overwrite this existing test MP3 on my desktop. You can save this where you want to. Here is a critical bit. By default, Audacity is going to, the first time around, is going to export as WAV unless you change this. Now, WAV is a good format in that it's going to capture all of your audio, but it will be a large file and maybe too big for sharing. MP3 is what most people choose for normal commercial type stuff, so we'll go with MP3, but MP3 has a little bit of a catch to it, as we'll see in a moment. So I've selected MP3 as my output format. I say save. It tells me that the file's already there. I knew that. It's going to mix down to a single channel. That's fine. We can give it meta information that will end up inside of the file so that when somebody reads that file, they'll see who was the author and so on. So we're going to say OK to that. Now here's the trick. MP3 is a copyrighted format, and Audacity does not ship with the necessary files to export as MP3. But it does help you through here. So it's looking for this libmp3 lame file that it can't find. So first you're going to want to click download, which will bring you to this page where you will then look for the platform you're working on, Windows. In this case, I'm on a Mac. So I click here, and then I find the zip file. We can download that. I've already downloaded that, so let's go take a look at what we have on my system. Downloads, and here is the file that we downloaded. On a Windows system, it's going to be important that you right-click the file and select Extract, because if you simply double-click this file on Windows, it will open up the zip file and it will look like you have opened a directory, but you didn't. So right-click and select Extract. On a Macintosh, I'm simply going to double-click the file, and that automatically creates an extracted version of it, and you can see here is the file that we were looking for. Now you'll probably not want to leave this file in your downloads folder, move it to a more permanent location, but for now I'm going to leave it here, and we'll go back over to Audacity. And now we're going to browse our way to that file from Audacity. So downloads, lame, lame open, and then OK. So we've now got that library imported, and we have also successfully exported the finished product over here, test MP3. That's all there is to it. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a message in the comments below, and I will do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. Thanks a lot. Cheers.